Hi there. Today, we'll explore the transformative role of artificial intelligence in a project management center of excellence. As we navigate the digital age, AI is not just a buzzword. It's a powerful tool reshaping many industries, including project management. What is a project management center of excellence, PMCoE? A PMCoE is a centralized hub within organizations that defines and maintains project management standards. It ensures best practices, consistency, and continuous improvement across all projects, acting as the guiding light for project managers and teams. The current landscape of PMCoE. In today's landscape, PMCoEs face challenges like managing intricate projects, ensuring stakeholder alignment, and adapting to rapid organizational and technological changes. This is where AI offers solutions that can revolutionize the way PMCoEs operate. AI in predictive analysis. Predictive analysis, powered by AI, is about forecasting future outcomes based on historical data. For instance, by analyzing past projects, AI can predict the likelihood of a current project going over budget or getting delayed. Consider a construction project. Based on weather patterns, past delays, and current progress, AI can predict potential halts in the project. Or in software development, AI can analyze past bug patterns to predict potential software glitches, allowing teams to address issues even before they arise. Enhancing decision-making with AI. Decision-making in project management often involves sifting through vast amounts of data. AI can streamline this by providing data-driven insights and recommendations. For example, if a project component is consistently causing delays, AI can highlight this trend, prompting managers to investigate and address the root cause. Furthermore, AI can simulate different project scenarios, allowing managers to visualize outcomes based on various decisions, ensuring that every choice made is well-informed and strategic. Automating routine tasks. Routine tasks, while essential, can be time-consuming. AI can automate many of these, increasing efficiency and accuracy. For instance, scheduling. AI can analyze team members' calendars, project timelines, and milestones to automatically schedule meetings or set task deadlines. Resource allocation. Based on project requirements and past performance, AI can suggest optimal resource allocation, ensuring that every project has the necessary human and material resources. Reporting. Instead of manually creating project updates, AI can auto-generate detailed reports, highlighting progress, potential risks, and areas that need attention. Personalized learning and training. AI can tailor training programs for project managers. By analyzing a manager's past projects, feedback, and performance, AI can identify areas of improvement and recommend specific training modules, ensuring that every manager is equipped with the skills they need to excel. Enhancing collaboration and communication. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants can facilitate communication among team members, stakeholders, and even clients. These tools can answer queries, provide project updates, and even assist in task management, ensuring that everyone is aligned and informed. The ethical considerations. While AI offers numerous advantages, it's essential to approach its integration ethically. This means ensuring data privacy, understanding the AI's decision-making process, and continuously monitoring its impact on the workforce. Conclusion. In conclusion, AI has the potential to revolutionize PMCoEs, making them more efficient, proactive, and adaptive. As we look to the future, the synergy between AI and project management promises unparalleled excellence in the field. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more PM tips.